Characters in arrays. In this lesson, we will discuss characters in arrays. If we wish to input a string, that is, a group of characters, we need to use character array. So here is syntax to declare the character array. Here, name is a character array which holds 10 characters. Each character is stored in a separate place, which is known as an index. The end of the array is called null character. Here's an example for working with an array with characters. In this sample, we declared two character variables called chr and str in an array that holds 15 characters. And here's an integer variable named I, which is initialized as 0. In the while loop, we use the getChar function, which gets a character and assigns it to variable chr. Each time the user enters a character, it will be compared with the /n. If both are similar, the loop will be terminated. Otherwise, the entered character will be assigned to variable chr. Then the chr value will be assigned to str of 0 because we've used str of I. Then variable I will be incremented by 1. After completing the loop, the /0 null character will be assigned to array variable str. Otherwise, the garbage values will be stored. And finally, we show the value of str using the printf function. Compile the code by pressing Alt F9. Then close the dialog box by clicking the OK button. And run the code using Control F9. Here you will be asked for a name. Type your desired name. When you're done, press the Enter key and look at the output. Note, if you give more than 15 characters in this example, it will produce errors or it will display some garbage values. In this lesson, we discussed how to use arrays with characters.